This is Remy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you a major DIY hack, especially for this festive season, because with this DIY hack you can increase the volume of your lehenga or be your evening gown or whatever you wear for the full length, and you can increase the volume of it and make it super flared and it looks super gorgeous. You can do this with a lehenga which I've already shown in the intro, or you can do it for a gown which I've already DIY'd. If you haven't seen it yet, link will be up right here or here and you can see it right there. So with this DIY hack you can make that gown super flared as well. So that's a super fun hack that I did, and I've been thinking about it for a very long time, but I couldn't execute it on time. But yeah, I'm doing it now and I hope it will help you guys. If you like the video so far, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, and yeah, press that notification bell button as well. And now I'll see you guys in the outro. Without any further ado, let's get started. For this, I'm first using this 1 meter rayon fabric in white, then fold it into half from its width like this so that the fold is on this side, then fold it again from its length like this so that we have two folds on this side now. Now take your waist size where you wear your skirt. Mine is 36 inches, then add 10 inches to it because we'll be using elastic on the waist. So mine would be 36 plus 10, that is 46 inch. So 46 becomes your new waist size for the skirt. Now divide this new waist by 4 because we will be marking on a folded fabric. So when new waist was 46, divided with 4, it becomes 11.5. So first draw a straight line on top and then mark 11.5 inch plus half an inch for seam allowance on the folded fabric like I am. Then for the length, which will include the waistband, so I'm taking 14 inch in total plus 1 inch for seam allowance, in which 4 inch is for the waistband, that is 2 for the front, 2 for the back of the waistband, and then 10 inch for the remaining part, and marking at about 15 inch to cover my entire hips length, and then draw a straight line again at that point. Now for the hips, measure your hip size. Mine is 40 inches, then add 10 inches to it as well, as we want it to be a little loose on our hips and not so tight. So mine becomes 40 plus 10, which is 50. This would be our new hip size. Divide it with 4 just like we did for the waist. So mine would be 50 divided by 4, which becomes 12.5 inch. Now mark 12.5 inch plus half an inch of seam allowance like I'm doing here. Then join both the top and the bottom marks together with a ruler and cut it out. Once cut, you will see you have two such pieces, one for the front and one for the back. Then keep both the pieces together like this and stitch its one side closed like so. Once done, this is how it will be. Now keep it aside and let's make the cancan layers. For that, I'm taking about 5 meters of cancan, which you can easily get at any fabric store or even at button or lace stores. Now for the length of the cancan skirt, whatever length is from your waist to the ankle, reduce 2 inch from it. In my case, my total length from waist to the ankle is 40 inches, so I reduce 2 inch from it, so it becomes 38 inches. And since we already made 10 plus 4 inch for the waistband to get a waistband of 2 inch, with the fabric, the remaining length for the skirt would be 38 minus 10 minus 2. So it becomes 26 inches. And since I'm making 3 layers of cancan, divide the 26 with the 3. So that would be 8.6 something. So I'm just gonna take 8 inches. Now my cancan is folded into half from its width like this, as I want as flare as I can get. So on each layer there will be 2 pieces, that is from on the front as well as on the back of it, which you will understand next, so don't worry. Keep the cancan folded like I'm doing, and then take your hip size, add 10 inch to it and then double it. So my hip was 40 plus 10 inch would be 50, and then double of 50 would be 100. So the first layer of cancan would be 100 inch long, and the width we want to cover the length of the total skirt was 8 inch, right? So keeping seam allowance, we will cut about 9 inch. So this would be your first layer, and because the cancan is folded into half, you will get 2 rectangular straps of 100 inch long and 9 inch wide. Now next, make second layer and add 20 inch length extra to it and keep the width same as 9 inch and cut it out. So you will get 2 pieces of 120 inches of length and 9 inch width. Then for the last layer, add 20 more to the previous previous layer length and keep the width same, so it will become 140 inches in length and 9 inch in width. So in total you should have total of 6 rectangular straps, 2 for the each layers. Cut them all out and now let's see how to attach them. Bring the fabric piece we kept aside and the top will be waistband and at the bottom we will attach the can. But before that, hem the bottom edge by double folding so that you don't have to do it later. Once hemmed, this is how it will look. Now take both the shortest layer and then start pinning them from their one side on the hemming of the fabric like I'm doing, and keep making pleats as you go like me so that the entire length of the strap gets pinned to the fabric hemming, something like this. And since we pinned both the shortest 100-inch length layers to it, we have these 2 layers at its bottom open like so. Now just stitch it in place. Once done, this is how it will be. And now bring the next layers, and that will be my 120-inch length ones, and there were 2 pieces for that too. So now you will see why I cut 2 pieces for each layer. So as you guys can see, we have these 2 layers open. So one next layer will be attached to this top one and the other one will be attached to the bottom. Now attach the second layers to the first ones, and since these are just 20-inch longer than the first one, make pleats very less as compared to the first layer so that you can pin the second layer easily to the first without running out of cancan in the end. So as you guys can see, we attach 2 pieces of the first layer to the fabric piece here with as many pleats as we can into the fabric width. Then for the next layer, I mistakenly made too many pleats in the beginning, but then reduced the pleats like so to cover the entire first layer's bottom length. But if you run out of cancan like me, you can attach extra piece like so, and just this way you have to attach the other piece of this second layer to the top piece of the first layer, and then do the same with the last layer, that would be our third layer. And once done, this is how it should look. And as you guys can see, there will be 2 parts of the layers like this because we made 2 pieces for each layer to get extra flare. You now fold your skirt in half like so and close the open side to close the skirt and stitch over it. Once done, flip your skirt wrong side out to finish the waistband, and to make it, first fold the top edge in like this and tuck its raw edge inside like so, and then bring your elastic to see if it will fit in the waistband. The waistband should be just a little bigger than your elastic. Then stitch the entire waistband, leaving just a little bit in the front so that you can insert your elastic through it later. Then cut the elastic of the length of your waist minus 6 inches from it. So mine was 36. I reduced 6 inches, so I'm taking 30 inch of elastic. And then with the help of a safety pin, insert the elastic in the waistband and then do a zigzag stitch over the 2 ends of the elastic to seal them and put them back and close the waistband opening. Once done, this is how it will look like. And yes, this is Tom licking himself, I guess, here. So yeah, he's my oldest dog. And see, you should have 2 layers in front and 2 at the back like this, and you can stitch ribbon over the joining parts of the can to give it a proper finishing, and you're done. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell button so that you guys never miss any future videos from me. If you do this DIY, make sure to tag me or even send it to me on my Instagram page that is right over here, or my Facebook page that is right over here. You can send it to me, or you can tag me, you can link me, whatever you can do, you do that, and I would love to see what you do with this DIY or my previous DIY. So today's picture goes out to Rita, Kajal and Indira. Thank you so much, guys, for your lovely comments. I really appreciate all the love you guys give to me. And if you also want to get featured in my next DIY video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell button, and comment down below whatever you want to comment with a hashtag that is notification squad within the first hour of the video, so that I'll know that you got my video notification and you came right away. Then I'll feature 3 of you guys for my next year video. The lip shade that I'm wearing is this one. This is from the NY Bay Matte Matte Lip Crayon, and this is the shade that I'm wearing, and its shade number is 1 and it's named as Queen's Choice. This is what I'm wearing. It's a super moisturized lip crayon. I don't even feel like I'm wearing any kind of lip product on my lips except my moisturizer, that is a lip balm, and that's how moisturized it feels. If you want to get this, I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, the Hindi tutorial will be in the description box for you guys to check it out and understand the tutorial even better. When you watch it in 2 languages, it just gets more easy. I also did a makeup tutorial for the beginners for this festive season, whose link will be in the description box for you guys to check it out. If you want to do that, that's on my beauty and lifestyle channel, and that's named as Ramya Vasudev, so you can check it out if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.